Hey, it's Lorraine Bracken here. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Zest. It's a product that's been launched on Warriorplus on the 11th of June. It's been launched by Billy Darr, Finn Goswami and Justin Opay. What I'll be covering in this video is we'll go through the sales page and we'll take a look and see, does it deliver on its promises? I'll also show you inside the members area and how it all works. I'll share with you my opinion on why I believe this software may be dangerous for your online business as a beginner, and then I'll go through the OTO'S and whether I personally believe this software is actually going to help you make money online. But before we dive right in, if you're interested in starting a legitimate long-term business that actually works, go click in the link in the description down below. You're going to get access to some free affiliate marketing training that I use to build my business. It's my top recommended training to get started as a beginner. Alright, so let's take a quick look at what Zest claims on their sales page that's going to be able to help you make money online. They claim here that it's a one-click activates autopilot campaigns and sends 100 plus hot buyers to them in 24 seconds. No tech skills, no experience, no expense, no BS. And as I scroll down, he also claims here that this is the exact same thing that has made him an internet millionaire. He claims it's helped him to retire his parents, pay off his mortgage, quit his job and donate 50,000 plus to charity. Now what I'd like to quickly point out is, after taking a look inside the members area of Zest, do I believe that you're going to get anywhere close to these type of results using the software? Absolutely not. So what we'll do now is I'll go inside the members area and I'll show you exactly broken down how these features work, and also that this is not brand new, it's not revolutionary, you're not going to be getting the results that they promise on the sales page. Okay, so this is the main dashboard area, and then when you go to the training section, now keep in mind this is one day prior to the actual launch. There is no training at the minute, but I'm sure there's going to be some sort of training here that's going to walk you through the platform once it goes live. We've all the different features displayed here on the left hand side of Zest, and it starts off with our affiliate offers, and then we have our landing pages, you have backlink automations, import social media accounts, social media automation, SMS campaigns, email campaigns, and we'll go through all these in more detail in a minute. In the main dashboard area, they have the latest deals from JVZoo and ClickBank. Now, do I feel that this is an added advantage having them here? Not really, because you can simply go to the likes of JVZoo or ClickBank for free and sign up for an account. And on top of that, when you do sign up directly through the platform itself, like ClickBank, it tells you the average amount per conversion, it tells you whether it's recurring and so on. Whereas in Zest, it literally just gives you the actual product and then it gives you the sales page link. It gives you no more information than that. My number one concern here is the actual products themselves. Do you know if they're any good or not? Or are you willing to promote products that you haven't even used or know works? Because to grow a long-term business, you cannot just promote everything and anything, because if you do end up making a sale and it's a product that is no good, you're not going to build trust with your audience. They're not going to ever buy anything from you again because you sold them something that just simply doesn't work. Okay, so that's our affiliate offers. You got your deals from JVZoo, Warriorplus and ClickBank. And the next option here or feature we have is affiliate campaign pages. So really all this is a page builder. Now, to create your pages or your opt-in pages, it's supposed to be a 4-step process. Step 1 is set your source. Step 2, customize page, and then step 3, customize social preview, and then step 4, customize host and preferences. I'll run through this and see if it works for me this time. I've called a test in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I've put in an affiliate link from ClickBank. And in step 2, we customize the page, and they're giving us options here for promo header bar, bonus pop, review overlay, and messenger chat pin. You can click on it and it's going to bring us up the option. You can put in an image, or you can have the promo header bar, put in some information here to see how it works. It's a countdown duration, promo pop-up headline. We have our promo pop-up discount amount and CTA button text. And I'll click save and it tells us that the campaign was not updated. So this landing page builder is not working properly. Now, if I go and untick this and click save, it still comes up with the same error message. Now, the fact that this landing page isn't even working, you can't create your own landing pages with Zest, is a big concern, because the launch date is actually tomorrow. It should be working by now. Now, to give you a quick example of what the landing pages should look like if this was working, I went into the Done For You page templates and it gives us a list of these. Now, these would be a part of the upsell or one of the OTO'S, I'll go through them in a minute. And what we have here is a very basic landing page. Now you can set one of these up very easily. There are loads of different page builders, and there's ones that you can use for free. The landing pages that you get for free inside the likes of email autoresponders, the good legit ones like GetResponse. I created a video on how you can create a landing page in GetResponse, and I'll leave a link in the description above and down below as well. But like I said, this is very basic. You can import the images, you can put in buttons or whatever, but all this is included in any sort of email autoresponders, and you don't need a software like Zest to create these type of pages. Okay, so we've gone through the affiliate offers and we've gone through the landing pages. Now next we have social sharing. Now this is the biggest problem with Zest. This is where they're promising we're going to be getting the floods of traffic to make all our sales and commissions. Now when they claim that you are going to be making $724 a day with this app, there's no way that these social apps are going to deliver on $720 a day. I personally believe you'll be very lucky to even get one sale, because if you think about it, if you're sharing your links on Facebook or Twitter, unless you have a huge following, there is nobody there that's going to be interested in your offer. Plus there's a ton of these links that are irrelevant. You can't even share affiliate links on them, and believe me, it's going to be a complete waste of time. Now you have the option, you can import your social media account if you want. You can link it to your Facebook account. And then you have your social automation. You have your comment templates, reply templates, automation campaigns. And to be honest, you don't need these, especially as a beginner. You don't have the traffic to warrant something like automation. And number two, depending on the platform you're using, they all have different rules on automations. And when you do get to a stage where you want to automate your process for a particular platform, for the likes of Pinterest, Tailwind will be one of the top recommended ones, because Tailwind is an official Pinterest and Facebook partner, and it's 100% safe to use. And here's another platform called Later, and they are a world's favorite Instagram marketing platform. And in one of their blog posts, 7 Instagram fails and how to avoid them, their number 7 fail says using apps to auto post to Instagram. They go on to explain the problem is Instagram is different from most other social media platforms and doesn't allow other apps to automatically post for you. And they go on to say, what does this mean for you? And they say your account could potentially be banned from Instagram. And that is why using the likes of Zest to set up campaigns of automations for Instagram is definitely a no-go, because the last thing you want is to have your social media accounts banned. And the other options here they have is email campaigns. Again, you don't need that if you already have your autoresponder. You can set up your landing pages within the autoresponder if you're on a budget. We have link cloaking. Now you can go on to the likes of Bitly or Rebrandly and have your link shortener or link cloaking for free. You don't need Zest for this. And what else have we here? We have auto content, messenger bot, OTM broadcaster. That brings us on to a 404 page. It's not working. But for the messenger bot, if that is something you're interested in, I'd highly suggest you check out ManyChat. These guys are a reputable company, and I'd highly recommend checking these ones out before Zest if this is what you want to do, because they keep up with their policies. They have a complete guide here. It's a long read, but you can see that they are very in depth and they go through everything and all the changes and how it all works. Again, very important to keep up to date with all the policies when it comes to Facebook and so on, because if you don't, you can have your account shut down. And they have another article here called The Modern Marketer's Guide to Marketing Automation. It's definitely a good read. You should go through this if this is something you're interested in, as well as to give you some example bots to show you the different ways that you can create messenger bots, because obviously it depends on your offer as to what type of bot you want to create. So if you wanted to sell a product, we could go in here and it'll show you a demo of how it works. I'll leave a link to all these resources down in the description down below. You can take a look. What I'll do now is I'll go through the OTO'S. Okay, so the front end cost of Zest is $17, and they claim it's the first affiliate app that's going to get you unlimited free buyer traffic. Now, I hope you can see from my demo that is not the case. By sharing your affiliate links on social media platforms like this are not going to result in huge commissions like they claim here on the sales page. And OTO 1 is $39, and this is unlimited edition. They say it's unlimited templates, usage, unlimited traffic, sales, and additional tutorials. Again, if they're claiming on the sales page that you're going to have all this already, why do you need OTO 1? OTO 2 is Done For You edition for $197. I'd assume that would have something to do with the Done For You templates, because the front end, it's not even actually working at the minute. You can't create your own campaigns. But the cost of $197 for done-for-you campaigns, I don't believe it's worth it, especially when you can get it for free on legitimate platforms. And OTO3 is Automated Edition for $39, activating all the automation tools. Again, you don't need this, especially as a beginner when you have zero audience. Plus the fact that they're highly unlikely to keep up to date with all social media policies, and that would actually endanger your account. And OTO4 is $39, and you're going to get 200 customizable video templates. And finally, OTO5 is $39, click and go campaigns, 50 TikTok campaigns. And here we have an article from Later, how to create your first TikTok campaign. It runs through how to set up your TikTok account, film and upload your content, edit your videos, and publish to TikTok. This is something you can easily do yourself. You don't need an app like Zest to create your videos on TikTok. And another red flag that stood out to me is their money back guarantee. They claim here that if you put the software to use and you don't get any results, you can open a ticket, and not only will they refund you your money, but they're also going to send you a further $333 for wasting your time. Plus, as well as that, they're saying they're giving you 365-day money back guarantee. Now, I personally would be very skeptical about this guarantee. There is no company that can afford to give back each customer $333 if the software doesn't work, plus give a year's guarantee. If you look for your money back, I would say personally that you're going to have great difficulty. So do I believe that Zest is actually going to help you make money online? Well, I believe personally this is a complete waste of time. You're not going to make any money with this software. It is not revolutionary. It's not brand new. But again, if you're looking for a real legit way to start an online affiliate business, go click that link in the description down below. You will get access to very good free training that's going to get you started on the right path. And that's my review of Zest. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, go hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell notification so you stay informed of future videos. And why not go check out one of these videos on screen? And until the next video, guys, I'll chat to you then. Take care.